welcome to another video motovlog, and this is Cascais. This is Cascais, guys. Look at this, beautiful. People are working out. Some of them are in the sea surfing. This is the California of Portugal, man. It really is beautiful. And there, in that near the cliffs there, it's the most western point in Portugal, called Cabo da Roca. It's where on Sundays, like tomorrow, most of the guys who have bikes go there and meet up before lunch. Like around 9-10 o'clock, it's where most of them are. And the road is pretty aesthetic. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of trees. It's very scenic. Okay, it's driving in the mountains basically, just curving, and a lot of guys even race there. But yeah, let's start the bike and let's go lunch with the fam. But yeah, guys, let's go to Cascais, to the center of Cascais actually. New move already. God damn. Every time when I start a motovlog. Bear with me, guys, because I cannot talk and concentrate on other stuffs at the same time still. So bear with me. Close the visor here. And you see a lot of people coming with their cars, just driving around, just hanging out, go to lunch, you know. And it's also a very good place to ride your bike. It's a very good open road. It's cool. Look, what the fuck is that? The guys are with the feet there. You know what I should do? I just should come on the right side and just tickle their feet. But that will be dangerous. Man, I want to do it so bad. See, this is just things that happen near the beach. Like, you wouldn't see this in the city. Like, come on. Now I can't concentrate on the vlog because I want to tickle those feet, man. I don't have any fetish though, okay? Don't be fucking weirdos. But you know, it's your intrusive thoughts just coming up, you know. Yeah, but I won't do it because it's on the right side, so it's a bit dangerous to go on the right side. And maybe this is an interesting fact. Cristiano Ronaldo, the world's best footballer in the world, at least for us Portuguese people, or majority of Portuguese people. A Ferrari, nice, old school Ferrari. Cristiano has a house here. He just built not long ago, and when he comes to Portugal, like he's doing now actually, because it's national duty, he comes to the house and just, you know, stays there. Of the, I don't know how many houses he has in Portugal, but it's an interesting fact. Maybe in another video we start near his house. I think you guys would like to see, or maybe you guys that are football fans. What a beautiful scenery, right, guys? Some feet, the fucking sea. But I bet you that feels really good to get the wind on your feet. I will pass this guy now. I think Cristiano's house is that way actually, or maybe it's on the other road that we just passed. But yeah. And this is a very rich area. Like, rich people just have huge mansions here. But that's the topic of today, guys. Cascais. It's not anymore. It was a hidden gem not long ago. because nobody really knew it. They knew Lisbon because it's the city and the center, but Cascais is just half an hour, even less, I would say, from the city center, and it's just really nice beaches. It's much more calmer, it's much more relaxed, it's more of a, you know, as I said before, as the California of Portugal. And it's a very good place to have lunch, you know, just eat some fish. You know, Portugal, I think it's have one of the best, at least for me, you know, the Mediterranean diet is one of the best in the world, the most healthy. And Portugal has one of the best culinary in the world, I think. The dishes are great, they're healthy, they're good. You eat a lot for less here in Portugal. So coming here and just have some lunch or dinner by the beach, like, and pick a good spot, it's you guys are really gonna enjoy it. This video is basically me being a tourist guide for today, but you know, I really like to show people around, you know. I even messaged some YouTubers that I watch time to time. Look at the dogs. I even message YouTubers that I see that some of them they travel to Portugal because it's a really hot destination right now. And when they travel, I say, hey, if you want to hang out or anything, you just let me know. I'll give you some tips of places to go, you know. What better person to share those tips than a local? And this is the thing, man. You have a bike lane on the right side and you're biking on the road. Like, come on guys, use the bike lanes. I know that some bikes, I understand your side as well, cyclists, but I don't think there's any cyclists watching these videos, to be honest. Because cyclists and bikers, they don't really get along too much. But like, for the example, these kinds of bikes that I'm talking about, these bikes are really light, and the people really cycle very fast. So sometimes being on the bike lane there with people, see people walking, some people are just casually hanging with the kids, you know, going for a walk with the kids. It's a bit dangerous, I understand. But if you have mountain bikes or other type of bikes, just, if you have a bike lane, please use a bike lane. Thank you. It's safer for us bikers or car drivers, and for you cyclists as well. Damn, I was in 5th gear. I look like Michael Jackson now with my feet like down. This is actually this is another tourist spot. This is called Boca do Inferno. It's like some sort of cave, like some rock structures that were shaped by the sea, and they have a story here. I don't remember exactly what it is, but it's really a cool place to have lunch as well. They have a really good place where you can eat fish and other types of seafood. It's really good. Okay, I think even Ronaldo came there once, because he doesn't live too far here when he's in Portugal. Ah man, it's good. Some good weather today. We are going now to the center. I think will be busy at least, because it's a really nice weather, Saturday. And remember guys, this is October. Remember on a few videos ago that I said Portugal have one of the sunniest countries in Europe? I was not lying. This is October. People are wearing dresses and t-shirts. This is a beautiful place as well. People take a lot of photos here because that's the bay where people have their boats It's a really nice place to hang around after you come from a bike ride there. To have some coffee as well. It's good. No, you're gonna pass? No? Alright.